Hey, where are you going today?
I'm going to the library.
Oh, really? What for?
I need to study for my exam.
Good luck. I hope you do well.
Is the bus late today?
Yeah, I think so.
How long have you been waiting?
Maybe 5 minutes.
Okay, it should be here soon.
Are you looking for a new book?
Yes, something easy to read.
Try this one. It's really good.
Thanks, I'll check it out.
Hope you like it.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading books.
What kind of books?
Storybooks.
That's interesting.
Yes, I enjoy it.
Hello. Do you have fresh apples?
Yes, we do. They came this morning.
How much are they?
They are $2 per kilo.
Okay, I'll take 1 kilo, please.
Sure. Here you go.
Why is your school bag so heavy today?
I don't know, maybe books?
Books or snacks?
Both.
Both?